Some people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people you are going here now because Zozo finally speak out. Him link up with Rosealee, you know what I mean? And Rosealee take on the whole of the family from the mother and the two sister them and Shay. I don't know say Rosealee and Shay been at it from with here. So Rosealee I help out Zozo. I don't know if she help make everything get worse or better because all the mother get disrespect. You see me, and the mother and the two sister them have the power to make him go back to the hospital. You see me, right now him can't go there. So I express how him feel to Rosealee. See, so as me say, Rosealee don't share the mother and the two sister them. You see me, so we have that. Also have Shibada about Annie and I talk about the situation where happened with this woman here when named Slicky and I think that's what she name, where a young boyfriend get unalive in a Spanish town. You see me I say? And we have Shibada and Shay. You see me? I talk about the whole Brit situation also. So we're gonna get in at my people. And yeah, we have I think Brit sister them on a live with Macy them. I talk about the situation also. So we could get in at my people. And if there's anything more to share, best believe we are gonna put in there. So we could get in at it.
Yeah, Rose, send off a match there.
So what I'm telling you now?
You know me there I go and easy back myself though, Rose.
So where wicked people them so up at hospital?
The wicked people them up at hospital I tell me say boy Rose, me can't them not gonna allow me to go see Brit unless me prove say me is a family member, you know?
That means that somebody call up there, that means say I one of them call up there and do that.
Yeah man, I one of them call up there man, a girl Shay call and send it to look dirty girl them go up there.
That type black one and the brown one.
Yeah man, you know who me a chat for true blood clot Rose, you know them for true and black wire man.
But listen to me, there's also me idiot. Bit of a brown sister with the come one time contract off her mouth. I don't know where them the average she come contract off her mouth. When Brit a ball out, so she buy her wig and the things them. You know the brown sister? She come one time called laba her mouth. Remember, dirty people, but what I'm saying is, all along when them a beat her, because I remember so one time them beat her and I district she come for one party, you know. I just still come out and keep it treat. So all along when them a beat her, what the sister them did there? What them did there? Them live a yard same way?
That me want to know. You don't know what they did there. I don't know what they did there at all, Rose. Just believe me, I don't know. All of a sudden, everybody start pop up like a blackhead now. Everybody start pop up. Everybody start show up. You know, hear me? I tell you, man. See, girl gone what day that the girl gone what day. Just like how she can call and tell them, say, Ray, go do this and do that. Why they couldn't call what day when they see girl up on all the live or drink Hennessy and I go on with the bag of rapture them? Why they couldn't call them two shit in a plate there? Figure stop all of them damage where girl they go on.
But Walanzo not reach the source. Stay far from us so we not reach it yet. The time when them beat her 2 times in a party, when them the 2 fuck out girl did there.
Me don't know what they did there.
Oh.
I never know what
me know what to tell you say. I don't know what to tell you say because if you are the only one we are gonna try help her now. You're not in a thing that you're gonna try help her. Me not see them have the need to do all of these things because all along when she did there and nobody was not looking at her. Nobody. And that's the truth. When she get her money off of your mama TV, every dollar what she earn off of TikTok, she said, "I'm going to give the mama TV." She want go foreign and can't go foreign. Every day she not foreign worries. She want go foreign and the mama thief her money. She not go foreign and the mama they are foreign and the mama thief her money. Where them did blood clot, all of them we are come from a blood. She is a wicked blood clot, girl. And she remember say she have picnic. And the Bible tell us say, do want to others or you want others to want to blood clot you. I'm gonna tell us say, say any wickedness we have to people that are rich for your blood clot picnic. You dirty girl. You don't reach back blood clot them there. So no worry yourself, because until you reap, you have to sow it. No worry yourself, you're going to see things that happen to them and you're going to wonder why you do and you do it. Because the Bible tells you the sins of the parents, visit them first, second, third, fourth, fifth generation. You soon blood clot seed, wait.
Believe you, Rosealee. I say I believe you. Believe Mr. Rosealee, the girl that sing for my name. The girl that sing for my name and he now do one blood clot. He get the chance to do it right and look when do. He get the chance to come and he go cut out the two big balls them when you have on 9 foot. He go do surgery on himself. The dirty transmission. You know so when you go do what there? When he went to come here. From when me only hear my talk, I just be a talk.
You can't come.
I just tired, I say I'm tired of everything and say, you know what, I'm not going to make nobody go on like them and frost off I be no more. I just do what I have to do. I just that, I just do what's best.
I respect that about you. I give you flowers. I have to give you flowers because I don't know me I watch Brit. I watch Brit long time from back in the days. So I know how Brit stay. So me I have to give you flowers. If nobody want to give me, I have to give you. You know why I have to give you flowers? And you alone can't stomach her behavior because I know say she has some behavior when nobody can stomach. Me know it about her. Me know she can. So me have to give you flowers. Me have to give you flowers right down the line. Because the moment you take her to the hospital, try to help her by things and say, alright then, come, me could go here so. Me could go here so. With the day when she got licking her eggs, she whip on Zozo. She never say she whip on her sister them. And her sister them live her yard. Shay can't go away.
Just believe, Rose.
Shay can't go away. Shay can't left. Shay can't left. Shay can't go away.
Just talk to
Shay can't go away. Shay can't go away. Shay cannot go nowhere. She want wicked blood clot evil girl. I know how long that she stays. I know she never go nowhere. Yeah. You have to get the wild flowers.
Mr. Rose.
Alright, as much as more while Rosealee have her ways and do her thing, we can't commend Rosealee enough for give the youth some encouragement and give him some props for what him a do. For encourage him to do more. All when them a fight him still do. You see me? Because at the end of the day, if everything left up in other youth and Brit a go better off than how she stay right now. She not go perfect still, you know, because once you have mental health issue, you are going to have it continually. You see me? Forever. But you see me, at least she go better off because he make sure say she clean things, make sure say she take a shower often and whatever concern him sort it out. You see me? But me I wonder if she make it worse for him also because at the end of the day the mother have the angle, the mother and the sister them have the angle to make him see Brit if them want him see Brit. But if the man him no good, them not gonna make him see Brit. But if him continue to do whatever do, I don't know if him can carry things go give her same way, but them not go allow him to see her or them not go take nothing at all from him to give her, I don't know. But when she come out, them are go link back as him have her stuff them. Seeing so make me know the thing with people out somewhere.
I'm picking them in need for go blood clot help. I'm picking them look like they want more than blood clot help. You picking them look like say boy from when they don't eat a proper meal. I'm picking them in for blood clot help and focus on them the one day. And top blood clot watch Brit because I don't do nothing for Brit. Me never yet hear Brit say this girl send him money a union. Me never yet hear Brit talk about this a girl. First of all, Brit even want me to play a blood clot match with him. Brit not in that girl Rosealee, me I tell her. Brit not in that.
But she got send Brit money on you and I should have it. No kind of throw for over here that much she not work. What she gonna get from this figure Brit?
I just be a big top, be a big notes.
But the family telephone by you?
Eh? Yeah man.
Telephone by you?
No, and the family take a phone from me man. I doctor. The doctor take the phone and the driver's license and he have one book where Brit did sit down the same way. The chair did up on the bench. And Brit taking phone and they making run through it and look for him and look for him and rare. And then take the license and the phone. When we go up there with at the time. And I say they write it down in one book and make sure you know say yo. When you leave you can get them. And the man let me know say alright then he go want to leave back to car. The people them say yo, I be talking them and say, cause them say me take away Brit things them, left Brit for hospital and gone left him. So I could have bother to keep attacking them. So I just do what I have to do. She said she want the bag. I two Brit say I want the bag. Let me carry go up there because none of them couldn't tell me if I carry the bag come.
I wouldn't carry back, me wouldn't do them neither.
I two Brit tell me say he want the bag and I know say alright then she have her Bible in there. Maybe she want her Bible for read and them look style there. I really look her something more right, you know. So I say alright then we go make the bag reach her. Yeah man, that's the only reason man. Else they couldn't get no phone, no bag from me. Tell me, I tell her man. I told Brit they talk to me and I listen to him and I say yo, you want the thing and rare. So I just say alright then, I go do it right. I ease up all some of them talking.
You don't know where for ride and whistle. You get the doctor the bag and so. But me see them tired out. I walk them not too far, you know. I walk them not too far. I say them too far.
They not go do that man. You know why the doctor said he not go to car because she never did that go on with no madness and none of them things there. So I just medication them again. They not joke her none at all. Because I say now, yeah, he not mash up nobody win that. He not do none of them sitting there. He not mash up nobody property or nothing like that. None of them look style there. So the doctor running file before they even go certain place. And people who mash up people place they inject. Yeah man, people who are going to the bag of fuckery and they inject. Britain are them type there. You can't put nigga on it. I'm mad.
They don't want to put a nigga on her because if them put nigga on her, it go mash her up and she young.
Me done talk my mind up there. Me done tell them what go on. And the lady when I see the deal with Brit, she a talk to Brit. Then I tell Brit say a long time you know Brit this and that and rare. Me say yo rare. And she the help everything. And she even make the food reach to Brit yesterday with my cat. Cause they didn't want me go serve. They didn't want me to Brit yesterday. And she see him one come collect the food and bring down the food. Yeah, but then when they pan one bag of talking and but just to do and get all things clear yesterday and so. Tackle the girl and the girl that go on like say indeed one talk and running the end up and I know so listen my man, I'm go lick out and Shay bad to all man.
Don't make them all argument
Shay pussy and come down off a platform man. Yeah, because you know so you in a Brit and I come go on like so you go link the girl yesterday, one can go up there. Then I cannot go up there. Then go up there.
Catch your speed chart. When we get from the car go up there.
Then go up there with too long and just be a talking then depend. I chat negative boy man.
When them forget to from the book that they not. Them Shay never so she send money go give Sista. A Western Union, she never did say that.
So me here too, you know. I'm not say that. I saw me here. Come in chat, focus.
Then you can come as a go get one $5, one $10. Can go visit her. And she can blood clot get no money. She can't send the money go give them to go visit her. But you have to visit people, NJ thanks. She can't send the money go visit her. And you
just focus on the time to chat. Focus and shoot. Focus and shoot.
Team.
Don't get lose focus in the chat. Focus chat.
Come chat.
We have a streak them up there now. Remember we have a streak them chat.
They could take his streak.
Focus chat. One TT, you know, Dan, big up yourself, you know, Dan. Prinny, big up yourself, you know. One interstellar chat, come in chat.
So me ask a question, so why didn't tie her up?
Well, maybe she not eager to come out, you know. And then I want she come out, you see me? Cause if they even lose him, she go fight her way out. You see me? So I just that I only pre-met the entire.
Nah, cause move for your son, man.
Then I tie her but where she can't move, you know. Then just strap her hand. She can't move and everything, get up and all of that.
Oh, so everything what the G did after Brit, them take it from him. Well, you know what I mean? You see if I which part it there. You understand? So we know all the thing with people. I watch some more cause me not lie. The whole situation mess up. Because if a person do the right thing and I like say him do anything wrong or nothing would have put the girl in danger or anything like that, I be a good things we see him a do. You understand what I say? And then them I say him a buy Ray for Brit and then we there. Me not think so. Me feel like say them just add that in there. Or maybe Brit say that because Brit will say anything still, you know. Or if him a buy them thing there for Brit, him better stop. You know what I mean? Because we know say a St. James that and the whole of the young youth them and girl them are be sitting them one pop. You know what I mean? So that's one of the problem. If him a do that, him need to stop. You see it. But as far as everything my people are be a good things me see him do, so me can't say him bad for Brit. You see me? But let me know what I think we could watch some more.
Then a time to where it all squeeze up her hand or nothing. Come in chat, drop her gloves now chat and focus. Drop her gloves and focus chat. Come in chat, we can't lose our one in a chat. Drop her gloves and show chat. Drop her gloves and show chat. Protect his winning streak, them my people. Come in chat. Focus. Nikki, big up yourself, you know, Nikki. Okay, nobody now no gloves can drop. Chat, focus and show chat.
Focus shot, me could take his streaks.
Some like nobody know no gloves.
Alright, so when I'm a baby follow them here, come chat, come. See when I'm a baby follow them here. Me could take you so we can take you, we don't know. We don't know who over they can snipe you. Me could try. Me could try upon the chat.
Man, they know say a line alone can take down the score there. No one line.
No man, since you have to get down two interstellar snipe it out. One shuttle. Alright, NJ, thank you. Jamaican, pasa, thank you. Mose, thank you. David, thank you. Indian, thank you. So, I want you rank your money and see what you can do. I hope she come out soon.
Rosealee. That not pray. I see my Rose.
Thanks, everybody. I hope she come out soon.
I saw you go, chat, man. I saw you go.
Don't let them discourage you. Keep on doing what you do. If I even, well, I don't want to talk it just so, but if I even take the girl in there and say, let me see her. But actually, me go talk. True. That
code, man. That a lie. You don't forget no name, man. 3939.
Tip her.
Nah, get no name.
Yeah, one,
we can go back to the next minute.
Do what you can do.
Jesus Christ, TT, big up yourself in a TT. One TT for the man. Jesus Christ, TT. Out of Mars that.
This all a good chat.
Jesus Christ. One TT for the
Yeah, man.
One TT for the
work out if you do it that way, but.
Big up yourself, TT. TT, we are go back for 25th Street them. You have them, you only have show one, but you have, we are go.
No, you're talking about the 25th Street because we are trying so we can take down that 60. The come chat, everybody come together, like we can take down that street.
Yeah, man, I mean, man.
But that can do, you know. Might have pass security.
But that is so
in a Jamaica, you have all pass system. Me say me that Zozo number, me that Zozo, when me say that to Zozo, no code.
Believe man. Come in chat, just focus.
You know if you go in there and Tay and Blay.
Yeah man, we're gonna take down somebody there number one. We're gonna take down somebody there for number
guys,
one. Guys,
24 persons that room, come chat and chat. The light mash up, Shanta come past school and
Team Angler, catch the speed.
So me send go and buy one.
1 E, come in our chat. 1 million, 1 M like.
Come on chat.
Congratulations to the top of them. Come in our chat. Times 3 this now, no. Yeah man,
Now buy one for 10,000. Or 9. So, 7 by the one for 9. So.
Come in our chat.
Check out the big plaza offer sheet.
We can go in a zoo, TT.
Chat, because so we can pass out this score. Everybody jump on the can drop.
When the space business here deal with a while ago.
Mash it up.
A space business a while ago. Rocket jet the fly go up how much something. First me I see them one day.
No, not over Palvian.
1 million likes. Just believe no man. Come in our chat. See times 3 now. Number 1 we are
people chat.
Chat anything, everybody shoot. Lady.
Over what's you by Big Man? Special buy $9,000. Park Plaza.
TT, big up yourself.
Me I talk about a big page with 300 it big like Jayden one 300 and K followers. It go away. She got the beach, and when she got the beach, I put the phone on her for live. When she go down in the water, and come up by the page, I go bloop. That me I talk about. Exactly, lady. Posh. That page there. The last big rank she do. When she won number 1 and she and Roger did a helper rank and she got 4 mil. And the night I think Perry pass her with a look with her pints and come out for the ranking the Sunday night. And after the people must send one line over there, one universe and pass back Perry. And when the 12 o'clock come, she win her number 1 with 4 million that kind. And ask Brit if she buy one cup soup out of the money, you can't know because the mama keep on a thief for money. So with the family then the mama thief out the whole of TikTok money you are gonna come about. The family and Brit and Zozo look this and Zozo look that and Zozo look that and Zozo look that. She go run Zozo. She start left her head and I go run Zozo. So she start left her head and I go run Zozo. And Zozo not have it like that. At least the bill for the internet I can give Zozo one look give for Zozo can catch out and help her. You know, so the boy are using own money and help Brit. The boy are using own money where him get for himself and a help her. The gift that when him get for himself and him a use it help her. You're wicked. You can't help the girl until you know you can't get family interview and never look at her from day 1, Shay. Family never look at her from day 1. They just get the story and you know the story. And you look the cloud. Because you're there foreign, you can't help her. You're just talking at the story, so. Family look on blood clutch Brit. Everybody have social media platform. Them see when she get the beating at the party. Who carry go hostel? A Shalon who go hostel. A such a gifted and our biggest gift that did follow. Cause I never know say she they send money. Walk with him. Me never did know say she did send gifted and money for come here. So the people them did say me no know. You can't help her. You can't help her. The family never help her from day 1. So I want to know, Shay, what is the problem with you and Zozo? But you don't feel like say, are you a cash out Brit money? Because Brit not have nobody to cash out because the mama can't cash out and no man on them carry top cash out. So are you a cash out the girl money? off a TikTok. So you know want to tell those certain things to bust out. That's why you push.
Well, my people, I guess this is confusing for the people them who don't have no genuineness about them or don't really have no love. Everything them look on where a person are going to gain from a situation. So it may be to some people look away how them can't figure out why this youth here I do so much for Brit. You see me I say, I don't know everybody licky and craving. You see me I say, and I look something from people. No, you have people who are genuine and then we help people genuinely. Because this youth here, he might use him own money, as Rosealee say. And I spend on Brit, and I not just know he might do it. He might do it long time until him show me say boy he's not the person for Brit, me I wrote for him. You see me I say this youth here go on good. You know what I mean? And them to stop fight against the youth and make the youth help out the female. You see me? That more I say. Let me know what I think.
Treasure. That's why you a cash off your money because you want it for thief. Yeah. Your money hard for you money check your phone. Why not my phone? You have my number? I'm gonna check the phone. You have to have my number, pumpkin. After that, your money hard to come off a TikTok. So like when money hard to come off a TikTok, are you a cash it out? I'm gonna come out beg of that. Yeah. Are you a cash out the money? For one night time the girl has to taste up on the live say, see that about money. And she talk it. And when she talk it, yeah, go like you see ya? And I wonder oh you're so interested in a Brit. But I know you're not calling her, you put them name. Yeah, me know Jamaican people, you know. Them only me tell how Jamaican people stay. Them only interested when them only interested in something when them a benefit outside. Yeah, Jamaican people, them only interested in sitting where them a benefit outside. You're interested in the story so much. You're interested in the story so much. Left it boy. Make it boy help the girl. Left it make him help her. A long time she did a struggle. Long enough time. She did it. Left it make him help her. Left it boy make it boy help her. Left it boy make it boy help her. Yeah. Father God tell me to help Brit, and me go help her, and Rosealee and Destiny don't want me to help her, and me go to Jamaica, and me go to Jamaica, go help her. But my question to Shay is, and the whole TikTok world, if all along you have our family member, why you not talk to our family member for care doctor? That's more asking now. If all along you were contacting, you're corresponding with our family them. Why you never look for your sister and say, listen to me now. When you carry Brit God doctor, make sure you get a checkup. Me I go send the money come out of my pocket. Because a gifter, and that's a gifter would I do. That is what a gifter would have done. Listen now, Karaga doctor. She not gonna want come trick her until I say Ray and Tay and Blay. I make you not go. Tell her some farmer trick and Karaga there. If you been a correspondent with the people them all along, As what you want on the internet say you correspond with them. Because you talk to all the brother, not the one with beat her. Cause no, we don't know the brother. No. All you know is that other brother that you talk to the one, another one will beat her. All you know another one will beat her. When somebody say the argument to me, I said that Shay say, you know, so them a liar. How she know the one on the beat her? How she know that? You might go say, hello, this is Brit. This is Brit. Hello, yeah. Yo, hello. Yeah. I Brit brother this, yes, the one when I beat her. I talk to our brother, the one on the beach, and then here queen, you know. Now send she no more, send him. Why the fuck she want to collect the money and she don't live at Jamaica? Any money we forgot to add Brit, make Zozo get it and make him thief it. Sometime in the life of your family help you a completely stranger. Cause some family in life will see you rise more than them. So make him get it. All of them gonna use it by car. Make him take it and buy car. Make him take it and buy car. I him carry go hospital. I am going up go take up and buy things what she want. Why you tell you got make the dirty sister whenever the first time them beat her, the sister never carry go hospital. I will for head till she get. Cause me get for understand so the people that beat her appear in her head, them lick her in her face. Appear head lick she get. When them a beat her appear in her face and her head, them lick her nowhere else.
Alright, my people, so if there was a list saying like where you would have to tick off certain things where you do for Brit, for sure, if you really a check for her or you really genuinely want to help her, that the youth they would have the way ahead of everybody else. First of all, him are the person who get her which part she there. Second of all, him carry things daily go give her. Whether food, clothing item, or anything she want. You see me? And plus, him not use for him money. Him not use for her money or for him money him a use. Even before Brit there which part she there, him a use him own money and sort out a lot of things. Give Brit, we see him on life and give Brit money. You see me I say, enough youth, especially young youth nowadays, if them a deal with Brit and them know say Brit a person where draw down her how much money first time on TikTok and still a do TikTok and a draw down money same way, them a go look for Brit pay for everything and the dog stand up strong. You know what I mean? So let me know what to think my people.
So like you say you're in contact with the sister. Why you never tell the sister to carry God after a long time? Why you wait until you take the money where you get for try to come look for her? Go do your body or your neck or your teeth or your eye in a pain. When you go for your ex-boyfriend yard, what's she gonna for again? Approval in beat her. If Brit never bust Brit, wouldn't find doctor. Yeah. And down to the story. You love yourself more than people. You love yourself more than people. Because if you did care about Brit, that cancel. Your body something can cancel. Till one next time and come do what you can do. But you never plan for going away. You plan for take the money, come up with a sham, come up with a story. And at first you thief money, you know, Shay. You thief Italian money too, you know. You get some money for Italian, you know, give me it. And that's why I run far from you. And at first you use people name to get people money. You the thief Italian money too. And that's why I run far from you. But liar and thief work together because you lie. Because if you get the money for Brit for come look for her, and then as I get the money so you travel the next day, 2 day time you have travel. 2 day time you have travel. 2 day time you have travel. But I always say this. I'm been a state from a longer time for me hear the story. Why would you want to travel come to Brit and you don't want to travel go look for your own son? You have a son live in Jamaica, you have your mother live here, and you have your family live here. So why are you so invested in big business and leave you on the side? Why? And that puzzle me right through when you beg the money. I don't care much them want to get, that's none of my business. What puzzle me is why you left from foreign. Come to Jamaica to Britain, you and Britain family. Want your family where you left. Yeah. You don't know Brit from Adams much as it at the internet you meet upon. So why you so interested for left? Where you there for call look for you? I mean, you talk about, oh, you know, a long time I not see my mother, I want to see her. A long time I not see my mother, I want to see her. Or a long time I not see my son, I want to see my son when me birth. You're so interested in seeing Brit. He's a thief. I have thinking queen in our background. I can't cuss people about one of that is stinking people. One of that is stinking people. Don't give she no more Zozo. So over there rank and taking ranking money. So over there rank and taking ranking money and go buy 2 and 3 for Brit. Me respect him for that. Although he can't cuss me in man, but me put that upside. A long time I on TikTok as though I the only smarty me say take him time out with Brit. Him are the only smarty. Me there found Wappy kill fill up, but we never see the fight. Him are the only smarty. Me say take patience and time with her. World dog never did have so much time. World people never have so much time. I am alone. I say I take him time out. Time out. I have patience to do that. Give the boy him flowers. But he's an evil girl. You don't like when people slung pan troll. You are always slung pan that, so you stay dirty bitch. Give the boy him flowers. Show me give you flowers. Cause you alone stomach behavior. Cause me know Brit stay. And as some know so you and as some know said Shay, you have to do something for Brit. Make you can't dead for your life a chat to her and she not this a long time. Cause me know she stay. She can't tell me she not got to make a programmer. You could have been nice till you can never be nice. Mr. Brit Black I'll be gifter. So as some know so you have to cash out her money for true. Cause Brit can't tell him a long time with the boat. Mrs. Sincerity do too, Mrs. Sincerity. Do how much in years what have been night to Brit? I wanted to say you chat too much. Him shame like a dog. And when Brit not tired for shame Sincerity. The last trip and him chip out panar should have back her mouth to him.
You say,
oh, yeah, oh, me got add I'm in a blood clot follow him. I'm not follow him. I'm just up on the rank board. Tell him he have to follow me. Hold on. I'm look at me see him. I'm follow him on the rank board. Can't tell me no boy. I'm a long time there. Long time here. Long time I'm here. I'm just up on the rank.
Alright, my people, so Rosealee have a point right there, so still, you know, me not gonna lie, you know, she must do something for Brit. Why Brit not decide yet? You see me I say, and she and Brit not fall out yet, because Brit can't be team my people. That me know for sure. You know much people grow on Brit and Brit style them. and double back, come run back and link them up again and style them again. And that's why enough of them don't like her. But them don't know say a girl we have a mental issue, brethren. She mischievous, yes, but she have a mental issue, so you have to see past that. You see me? So yeah, me feel like say Shay I do something for Brit. A cash out as Rosealee say, because otherwise she and Brit would have fall out already. And everybody has say, yo, she need an intervention, a spiritual intervention. People, chill. This is not back in the days. This is a modern time. You know what I mean? Too much other things out there where you can check out before you reach a spiritual something there. You see it? So I don't know what I think. People will listen to something more.
But I'm following from this too. Long time there is a wicked evil girl. I'm gonna stop sister. How much you on the rank board chart? We'll see man. Tell him to add me. Tell him to add me. You are a wicked evil blood clot. Yeah, tell him to add me. Yeah, you're a wicked girl. You want wicked evil. Share them are evil. But me tell you to share them this is big for the life, yeah? Me tell you to share turn TikTok in a war. Share this set up life, yeah? Share this set up my baby father life with him and boy. I'm tell you one wicked evil girl. Me tell them I talk it here. Me talk it over here. Me didn't talk it over here. She one wicked evil girl. Man, just but you me know who me I talk about still. Well, and then I say, I see him. Now, what name again? It said, invitation turn off. Tell him to add me. If invitation turn off. Tell him to add me. Yes, man. He might help her, make him help her. You're wicked and you're evil. Yes, bro. Yes, Jayden, man. I saw me fear, man. I saw me fear, Gemini, man. I saw me fear, man. He might help her, make the boy help her. You can't help her. Because if Jakes meet one woman now, you can help him. Make the woman help you. Me can't help you. I saw me fear. I can't help you. So if you get help, take it. The boy are trying best to help her and you can't help her. Right now you're in a pain. Any amount of money when you want to get on social media, we can take your help her. If you can go visit her and do her visit them and buy 90 gear and sit and so and go look for her, make him look. Well, why you know tell you say him can't go look for her. He make you go there in the first place because her head boss. And the guy stage her from the agency, she got to the doctor. A long time, the dirty family they are yard now look on her. And then first Brit get beat and then I look on the girl. So what the whole I wanna contact say? The whole I wanna hypocrite on social media, me wanna comment and show me have some liar people go throw too kind with me. And then I beg one Monday will give me because they say me not despair. But you know evil. A long time the girl they are blood clot, that suffer, them not look on her, them not look. Long time. Sean them can't agree. So when them I run up now, I can run up now, for. What they thinking Sista shall run up now, for? They even want them to do all our TikTok money. You think me not know Shay, me know everything. A long time me I know everything. The girl come back and say, my mama thief me money. She said, you think you're rich like blood clot me? A 14,000 I give my mama. And she mean 14,000 USD. And check 14,000 USD how much money that. Dirty Shay. And 10,000 she use to her treat. And check 10,000. You think a Jamaican money chat about 10,000. And 14,000 US straight US blood clot me. Cause she was crowd favorite back once then. And y'all go like a true gift like it's nothing. Can any mad dish she come here with the crowd gravitate to it? And a beer gift throw over that a block at the time. She can sit up on it and put on her pot. Cute and girl, thank you for the will. When gift done throw, her pot well full. Every day. Every day. But see, I just last time I saw me score up on the FYP. I said to get rich like blood clot me. 14,000 I said go give my mother. She mean 14,000 USD. She said go give my mama teeth it. And mama ever thief her money. When you not stuck in a paper roll it and she can't get $1. What the family them did they intervene long enough? Why you wait to when stranger come in and take up on a stinking self and I go like on the love but I want to help my share down. I want to help my share down. Cause the month a week where she buy get the blood clot sister and get things. The whole of them do Gemini people and me people, the whole of them get money for now. They want to tell her what to do, how much they want to get. Gemini people know mean. The whole of them get money for her. I tell her what she fi do. And we not gonna run program. And that are their problem. Me nah see me add some of them add him. I'm like have me invite, me can't take a chat in. When our wicked people pan ya. I saw on the try can be down to 9 most way. Yeah, you never know. All along you're dead. All along you're there separation I take you and the things them. Family no intervene. Me can't add him, me no know. Tell him for like off him, invite me, add him. And some know with some family, all along, no go on for you know, sit them. All along things that happen, you know, sit them, you know, hear them. But as soon as it get, as soon as the world are gonna end tomorrow, you see them. Yes, I am family and I was here all along with Chago Cho. We never see a family come out. They them beat already, you know. Some of them know what she going like say you never chase and Shay. All along they that you never miss they beat her already. Beat her. I told them beat her, me as to myself say, you are trying to do a back to school treat at your community for the people and them putting in there and them they are part and say them a beat I wouldn't keep no treat. I wouldn't keep no treat. And all I want to buy, me that take it up and pack it up and can't go give one worms. I wouldn't keep no treat. And then beat her and she alone carry herself to the hospital. When she come for hospital, I say I have one eye patch. The dirty set of dirty people. Think on a nice span TikTok. Mr. Zozo invitation off. It say me not match. It me not match.
People, leave a comment in the comment section because I want to hear you guys' opinion on this situation because me not see what the family them really are doing, although maybe them are moving silence, but I don't see what they are doing for Brit. This youth here, him did do everything right through. I mean, know say must feel away. If him really love Brit, you know what I mean, me know the G feel away same way. You see me? Because the person that you love, they in a place and you can't go visit them none at all because of the family them. It's not a good look. And that's why man Brit should get married, you know, people. If they get married with you, yeah, him could have go there, you know. Yeah. And him could have stopped the family them from go there. You see what I say? He better make case I'm married Brit if him want total control because we know him mean Brit good. If him did marry Brit, him would have to say so and the family them would have to back off. Remember that. Because somewhere.
I would have Betty boo. I mean, I'm not some wicked girl, so I know share one wicked girl. When you hear me I tell about a blood clot girl, I say I'm joking thing. I still I'm study that girl, I want wicked blood clot girl. You're evil. I stop my baby father life. I know you come, but I'm Rosealee, I try make me not help Brit. You never gonna help nobody. Because if you don't want help for you birth, oh you gonna help other people. That don't make no sense.
If you got pharmacy, go buy them all. Brit never say I'm Zozo again.
Yes, Zozo again.
Brit talk on in life say she a take the drugs.
Zozo no give it quiet.
Everybody walk down please. Give me a minute, please. Give me a minute.
Here.
Give me a minute. Hold on.
Right in here, Brit they walk in here.
Hold on a minute, please. Hold on a minute. You guys, I'm supposed to believe, right, that Molly is selling in a pharmacy over the counter in Jamaica?
No, back door.
Is that hold on now? Is that what I'm supposed to believe? So what kind of pharmacy not talk about we're selling Molly now?
Me I say too. I must be...
What pharmacy? Because a pharmacy gonna risk losing their drug license to sell an illegal pill?
Exactly.
So what pharmacy? So you say when just attack? I don't understand what I say.
No, them a go up with Shay and the family them say.
Because the girl gonna say she know the exact pharmacy. What pharmacy? So that means that somebody in the pharmacy then I violate the pharmacy's rules and regulation and whatever drug license them have.
Yeah, and that pharmacy
so
to be reported.
If you even see the God pharmacy,
I wonder if the thing say everybody on TikTok slow. I wonder if the thing say everybody on TikTok just hear. I know, listen.
Me hear her. Cause Brit even go in the pharmacy, you don't know when going to pharmacy.
It was a backdoor deal that I must run in the pharmacy and sell it.
Right.
I could pharmacy itself.
Yeah, but why do I blame Zozo? That I may not understand. Why do I say Zozo get a pill? Zozo not get a pill.
You want to carry on the youth. The girl not get no help. Somebody we had the best interest at heart for the girl, they want to carry him down. And that, because they don't want nobody with Brit.
I mean, I understand why she never invested in the boyfriend, in the ex-boyfriend of Brit Ed. Yeah, we need to find
out about that. Why she never seek for the ex-boyfriend?
I'll know when you know about the ex-boyfriend about Brit Ed yet. I'll know. But she invests in a Zozo business.
Well, Zozo can't convince her. She not easy to convince. I don't know why you can't.
She can't convince her to use the money to do her
the same way like how Mother want to talk to one of the family members. A friend them must look for the family members because them not ask the family members the right question. I mean, none of the family members them not go and come talk to me after because you know they can't come tell me no fuck with me after because me I go for what me see. Me I go for the actions. Me I go for the actions. I remember every time when time Brit the live and the brother them a beat her.
Yeah, remember when he speaking chicken and nobody no want to take no chicken from him.
Mada.
Huh?
Yeah, we watch Shay live a while ago and one girl call. Say a Brit. Friend from school days. Long time friend. And all the girl over there tell Shay say the family treat the damn Brit bad. And she don't want to hear that. She starts say, oh, me don't want to hear nothing about nobody. Me don't want to hear nothing about nobody. But yet still, you still listen Shay family them. Brit family them.
No, because
turn down the boy.
It's not going to be fair.
Yeah, I know. The girl says,
the girl came and spoke, right? I don't agree what Kocho saying is true. I don't agree with that. But I allow her to speak wrong and right. And I don't hear me disrespect her, right?
Exactly.
The girl
because she don't have to see where we sit from.
The girl named Ne says she and Brit are a long time school friend. And the girl explained to them say Brit sick long time. And the family know and all end up beat her. Nobody. It's a from Brit Mada go away. Brit start get mad. They say them put out all Brit. And Brit go live with one of her uncle. And then start spread rumor upon Brit. Say Brit uncle whatever.
Yeah, but
Call them
you know,
come down from Brit.
but you know, Brittany come out and say when our family member sexual assault her though.
Just say them say the girl said the man never do her nothing.
No, but me tell you, say Brittany come out and say it too. You know, she have a trauma growing up with a family member doing whatever to her. So
Yeah, but the girl said that uncle never trouble her.
Okay.
She said they go to school together. And when they put her out, he said the
But I love to hear from the girl, but Shay now want to hear from the girl. Anyone that bring a caring family over here, or anybody that knows Brittany from a long time, because we are just going based off what we seen on the media.
Yes,
Some people, me don't know if one of Brit family member or somebody will know or I go come on the live, but I believe so. You see me? But we are going to watch and see if any of them come on it, you see it? Because, you see me? It's like everybody I look on it that way, my people. The only person them way I see it for them way I Shay and the Sista them. Everybody I look on it that way. All this youth, I just put in the work and I help out the situation with her and then block him from helping out her. Everybody I look on it that way there. You see me I say? And the realest way. Because how can you want better for a person and there's somebody providing better, a step up to the plate, and you are going try to block that person? What about the person where hurt her, damage her, bust her head and them something there? Why you not go after that person there? And the person will good to her and I'll go after? That shows you no one no good for her. Simple.
Can't go after because we don't know.
A lot of times, Brittany on the media crying, actively getting abused by her family members.
Yeah.
So we saw that on numerous occasions. I've never seen an instance where Brittany was saying that her mom did this something good for her. Her mom spoke to her good at Brit Mada to go and blood clot talk to her that Brittany come talk all the while. The came with money I gave to that woman
just 2 weeks ago. Just 2 weeks ago, give her mother $10,000 US, you know. Just 2 weeks.
Yeah, she come out and cry. So the mother used the money.
Mother asking people about something to say Laverne and Cked or whatever her name is.
When rain a fall and the month not done.
No, are you buy your own light and gas?
So much light you buy Shay, big Jill, half pint.
Yeah. No, $100 light, $100 right now. The time hot, so you don't need so much, you don't need no gas. Them lock up the gas now in Belgium. So all they need to do is just buy the light because the gas have to run the heater.
Oh, the gas on the heater alone, so I'm
yes, so you know, right now they lock up the gas. The gas lock up because the place hot. So everybody I use them light now, like them AC, them fan, them look so.
Oh, so you have AC?
No, I have portable AC.
Are you in Destiny? And it's not the one carry teeth that.
Yeah.
Now wait, Lord. Tell me about the vybz that we see for
vybz.
I'm gonna see Honeybee, St. Cross, my lion, tigers and bears. Honeybee, you thief the money. You keep the money, Honeybee is a thief. Then come in and share. What you have to say about TikTok police and Annie? What you have to say about TikTok police and Annie?
No man of course me, I'm not saying on the boat her.
Who shall cause you say?
Here no, a ball. Shay and Shibada, everybody, I don't come down for me. See him now, take him now. But me never seen on the boat, but I deferral, I say him like Annie had the hottest thing for it. I know me not seen on the boat woman.
You did it on the live?
Yeah, me did it on the live.
Good for you. You travel too much. So come here. So come in and Shay. So, you know see that look like curse.
Why not? Me not like how you look. You don't look good at all.
Me not like my stomach sick, everything, me think about it.
Yeah, because you ever, when me see them and kiss on the live, me and say,
oh Lord, she had the kissing part turn me around and and push it back in. Or the water running.
Yes, when police are kiss Annie, him not taste the body them.
I tell me I wonder because Annie so like supposed to have odor.
What me I say too?
And you know say Annie Pete supposed to think. Me now ask you. It's a TikTok police me that show this in my sister face. Me that dash this in a police face. Police, you let me down. Come here now.
Yes.
How we got chat queen friend.
Yeah. Oh.
You know, see the girl Raja she. You know, you share talk about right queue for come out at the closet. Then who tell Raja say she a man?
You know, you're one woman go up on the live go say, I think him bisexual.
No, one woman, Zandra, I'm a friend.
Oh.
Zandra, but him not enough for her with Zandra because he never knows she a fool, so yeah. I want him wanting right sweetness, right? Go back to your yard now. What time for you go your yard? Go your yard.
In that one, him gone back or him still down there?
Me not see my queen is up on sidewalk and I'm cream.
Oh jeez, me not think that's the carnival is done.
No, him don't.
Let me say this. You see, Roy has stated before. Roy is a dirty batty boy. You see that little man there? He must stay at Jamaica. He must try to convince people saying straight. All because he want to go in a straight man function without being bashed. So he can bribe them. Right, go back to your yard. Jamaican business with you if nothing happened to you. Go back to your yard, so cocky, right? One back to your yard. You walk and tell people about, oh, we going to Debanos now. We going to Debanos. Go on to your yard. Got your yard so cocky, boy.
Why she be? I'm not tell a lie. You never know the man for food. You think you have sense.
He's a dirty batty man, queen.
Eh?
He's a dirty batty man. You see movement in conscious way, Mado. He wants to be in the midst of some straight men.
Yeah.
Right, better go back here because you now get Jamaica bad name. Go on your yard. The event done, go on your yard, but you want change ticket and you know you're broke.
I want to see him still on live a ball. I say, where you ball for? You don't see that one there when him a ball?
Me see her, my love. And I can ask herself, she too desperate.
No, sir.
This me have to say to you, enjoy yourself here, man. You see me I say, enjoy yourself, youth. You know what I mean? Don't make them send you home on your yard. Go home when you feel like to go home. You see me, full joy Jamaica. You see me, there's a lot in a Jamaica. There's a lot Jamaica offer. You see me I say, enjoy yourself. Don't make them TikTokers around your home. Because when they go to Canada, when they go to America, and live there and go live there. And when they go to Trinidad and Tobago go your yard and live there and go live there. You see me I say, them now go visit and come home back and live them and go live there. And when they not have papers, them and go live there. So they make them send you home on your yard, yeah.
What's name with the extension? You have no money. If you go back home, you can't stay there and laugh. You know? Jamaica is not a nice place, especially when you know we are walk and look man. You can't blame nobody. Then we take your jinglings where you have leave.
Right now, come like the people that will overstay on their visa.
Exactly. If you go in the yard.
I don't know where, man.
I want you come here for look, man. When you can't sit down there. You know, so you have some batty man shame. I'm going to tell you something.
Yeah.
Them friend, you and the app who them believe a bag of man's sorrow.
Yeah.
Mark, you know. They friend you because nobody else want friend them either. So them go for you. You see what Roy is doing? You see Rosealee on her phone and blam them today. And he might push up him face on the phone for talk to blam them. Burn out batty is the man, burn out batty man. And why you put yourself in such predicament? You see that young man? I see him go pick up Derek. You understand me? Because he wants to be seen.
Yeah, then.
so cocky dirty boy. That your yard.
Boy, when I see them something there with him and how them I bring him down on the media.
And he don't have no shame.
Yeah,
They don't feel no way. Because he have intentions.
The kiss and this and yeah,
He have intentions. He said if you can see you, you stand up. He can get a boy out of see you.
that means say if Rice is some that means say Rice just stiff up off for anybody.
Anybody. So you don't know, you may tell them from day one say a dirty batty man.
To bother them style, a pervert rapist style. Him have. I'm not take it back.
No, it's a dirty batty is himself. Let me tell you something, Queen. You have some batty boy where we just friend you because you have one heap of man around you coming in your community and not look here.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming in your community and look here, brother. I saw them stare.
No.
I see it for a ride long time. Long time.
So who if they are going to look Jakes?
Then you know we take Jakes. If we take Jakes, then you stay there. If we take Jakes, you don't know that. You see, his mentality was not for carnival. His mentality was not for carnival.
And then we see it like him read on him story about Jamaica did this and me enjoy this but certain things and misunderstand and hear me watch your explanation and he would have come back.
Batty boy. Why you want 6 stomach batty boy? And everybody where you see now clothes are smarty, you know?
True.
Why you want dirty batty boy? Try to kiss Rosealee.
And then he must say him would stand up and in the back of car and
You know? My feel say right now have no sense, you know? My feel say right lose one hardware.
but Omega stand up for right?
Look here, come here. Come here, Shay. Somebody who profess to have an image of someone looking good. You know, Sister Raya handicap?
Oh man, them no sense. With him upstairs.
Say right after lose a screw.
More than a screw, you mean lose
After lose a hardware.
When I tell when the people them on the live, me I watch the live, you know, me just come off, cause I'm upset me, man. Give me him take the piss, me just come off. I'ma see him there and ship and like she you the people in their comments, watch her now to make the woman feel like some man want her.
Yeah, but Shay, me convince her rise a handicap. Right would never be sensible. Why would I never be sensible? Why can never be nobody?
I don't feel like him sensible a blood clot.
Why can't sensible?
Him don't write it and him do it like a damn.
Why can't write it and talk like Derek?
Yeah,
Him talk like Derek for true.
no, him stammer, him talk fast.
He talk like Derek because Derek name up everything out of the alphabet queenie. If he said Derek did bad. When do I talk by the pod? Hey, what do you know about me? Nobody can understand them. I mean, I want them to catch her, you know.
I'm saying, him explain, you see, that's a fuckery.
I tell you, say Raya handicap. Raya big handicap.
Me I say you explain till you tie up yourself or twist up yourself. Me just come up because me say you upset me, right? Me can't be there, you upset the fuck
When I
out of me.
tried to kiss, that was real.
That,
You start your charity when you know your bookings are coming. So remember saying we on the outside don't know when you book your appointment, you know. But the charity fall within the time of the appointment. So you can't expect people not to say. You get what I say? That is why you look to answer them.
No, fall.
She knows that she never go on a live with Britney today. That can be arranged.
No, you're not understand what I say. You see, with the time in your charity, you book your appointment long before, right? The charity come up, don't?
Yeah.
Right within the time of your date. So it's not like you plan anything. So when you check the reality of it, it seems as if, but you can't blame. That's why I tell you, don't listen to them, don't look at them.
No, I mean, I listen to them, but she better from March to 4th. I mean, reschedule, you know.
It doesn't matter from when. That's what that me tell you. It's unimportant to be on this side. Remember, you plan your thing, but people who not do body wouldn't understand about body doing.
Okay.
You get what me say? Because we know the appointment have to make long before. It can't be a pop-up service.
Thank you.
You understand what me say? So if you're going to do your body, you must have had your plane ticket put on, because I assume you're not buy the cheapest ticket, and the cheapest ticket have to buy long before the surgery. So you don't pay for your ticket in advance. You understand? You don't book your ticket in advance. True or false? So you get the deal and the price ticket.
You have to book the date before you buy the ticket. You can't book no ticket unless you book your own.
No, we know all of that. So we just try and make sense out of nonsense now.
Yeah.
So you get the plane ticket money for come to Jamaica now, within the time of your surgery. So everybody now believe that. You take the plane ticket money and go to Turkey. You see which part them mix up?
Alright, so me woulda love to think say Shay never come on TikTok come beg the money because she did want make up to do her surgery, or if you make up to do the treatment after the surgery. Me woulda love to think say yo, she really do it genuinely to go link up with Brit and try to help out Brit. You see me? Because here I go at my people. When you hear me say this already, say yo, a girl no fi do no surgery unless she have a car. You see me? I say, and again, you can't do surgery and broke after. You don't have your priorities straight. You see me? I say, you can't do surgery and don't have a car, and you can't do surgery and broke after. No. You can't set your priorities them with it. You see me? Because try to do a business. Simple.
No, you understand what I say?
We don't have a problem with them talking national. Don't think it's wrong, because they're supposed to, and nothing is wrong with that.
Yeah.
I am saying, the thing is, what I am saying,
yeah.
When did Shay ever get any money for Brittany?
Oh, this one on there. Once you have the money, you can do surgery ASAP. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Go and yam out your mother. But once you have the money, number one, the consultation, then the medical. Because you have to go check up and bring back the results to the doctors, to the surgeon, to the part. Go suck your mother. Go and suck your mom several times on backwards. Yeah. How much cemetery you are talking about?
No, to blood clot if I laugh at it over here.
You can't talk, but once you have your money, you can do surgery right away. Don't you out your mother, and you pay for surgery. Let me tell you something, you have to pay for the surgery before you do it. If I even half of the money, you never know, wake up back with the people in rest.
You better not mute me, because you're there everywhere, you're there everywhere under live. After 3 where you want him. She better not mute me. If you don't want to hear me, come off. It's simple. You're there for mute or she be everywhere you're there.
No man, after 3 hate you. Where you after 3?
No, but them hate me everywhere me there, them follow me up. I never see that yet. Only hate a girl and sit down and watch a girl. Any girl me hate on this, me no watch you.